students, welcome to the next video of trigonometry. We had already done the multiple angle. In that we had seen formula for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. Now in this video we are going to see the formula for sin 3 theta. So same rule. First we have to write this sin 3 theta in compound angle form. So compound angle form, we can write this 3 theta as 2 theta plus theta, right? So first we have to split this 3 theta. So 3 theta is 2 theta plus theta. Now this is sin A plus B. So apply sin A plus B formula, compound angle formula. So since sin A plus B, that is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B, sin cos plus cos sin. Okay, so by using compound angle formula, sin 2 theta plus theta will be sin 2 theta into cos theta plus cos 2 theta into sin theta. Okay, now this sin 2 theta, we had already seen the formula for sin 2 theta, right? Multiple angle formula. So this sin 2 theta will be 2 sin theta into cos theta into this cos theta. This cos theta will be as it is, no change. So sin 2 theta, we are applying sin 2 theta formula. Now plus cos 2 theta. Now here see, it is sin, right? So I like to convert this cos 2 theta in sin theta. Okay, so cos 2 theta formula will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Why? Because I am interested in sin theta. This is by mistaken, it should be sin theta, not cos theta. Okay, so just check the correction. It is 1 minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta. Now cos theta into cos theta, that will be a cos square theta. Okay, so this cos square theta, again I have to convert this cos square theta in sin theta. So I am going to use the formula 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, now see, all the terms are in sin theta only. So the trick is convert all the terms in sin theta. Why? Because we are finding the formula for sin 3 theta. Okay, now cos square theta will be 1 minus sin square theta. So 2 sin theta into 1 minus sin square theta. Do the multiplication. So after multiplication we will get 2 sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Similarly 1 minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta. Okay, so do the multiplication. So we'll get sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Okay, so see this step, 2 sin theta plus sin theta, that will be a 3 sin theta, then minus 2 sin cube theta minus 2 sin cube theta. So that will be a 4 sin cube theta. Okay, so once again sin 3 theta, first we have to split this 3 theta as 2 theta plus theta. Then we are going to apply the compound angle formula. Compound angle formula, sin A plus B formula. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, then I have to apply sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta formula. Now sin 2 theta is a single formula. So sin 2 theta will be 2 sin theta into cos theta. But for cos 2 theta, there are many formulas, right? So out of that we have to use sin theta formula. Means I am interested in converting sin 2 theta only in terms of sin theta. So for that I am going to use 1 minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta. Okay, now here I am getting sin cos square theta. So for cos square theta, what I have to do? I have to convert this cos square theta in again sin square theta. Okay, and this one is a by mistaken written as cos theta, it should be sin theta. Okay, so after whole multiplication we get this step, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So formula, there is a single formula for sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, so see the next is a formula for cos 3 theta. So for cos 3 theta, first same steps. So cos 3 theta, right, 3 theta is 2 theta plus theta. Okay, then again apply the compound angle formula, same rule, same steps. So compound angle formula for cos formula is cos plus है तो minus sin. So cos 2 theta into cos theta minus sin 2 theta into sin theta. Okay, compound angle formula. Now again I am getting cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta terms. Okay, so I have to change this cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. Now since I am deriving formula for cos, so what I have to do, I have to convert all the sin terms in cos terms. Okay, so cos 2 theta formula only in terms of cos. I am interested cos 2 theta only in terms of cos theta. Okay, so there is a formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. This cos theta will remain as it is, minus, now sin 2 theta, there is a single formula for sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta will be 2 sin theta into cos theta, and the last sin theta will be as it is. Now do the multiplication. So 2 cos square theta into cos theta, so that will be a 2 cos cube theta, minus 1 into cos theta, so minus cos theta, minus 2 sin square theta into cos theta. Okay, now again have to change this sin square theta in cos square theta. So sin square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. So again multiply this 2 cos theta with 1 minus cos square theta, so that will be a 2 cos theta plus 2 cos cube theta, and 2 cos cube theta plus 2 cos cube theta will be a 4 cos. This is not sin, this is cos. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, so formula is, this is wrong, formula is cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, so just check the formula. It should be cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, opposite of sin 3 theta. Okay, in sin 3 theta we are having, sin 3 theta formula we are having 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, while for cos 3 theta formula is first this term, so 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, so derivation of sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta is almost same. Rule is, first we have to write this 3 theta as 2 theta plus theta, then we have to apply the compound angle formula. Okay, and then do the calculation or simplification. So with this I am concluding this video. In next video we can see the formula for tan 3 theta. So thank you students.